and do an emergency stop. So hello beautiful people, Arif Oria here from Oria Driving Academy, and I will be showing you route number 1 for G2 road test here at the Burlington Drive Test Center. When you come here, this is what you will have to do. Once you get to the Drive Test Center, you will have to park your car in one of the parking spaces. It is always recommended that you park your car in reverse because then it will be easier for you to come out. So park your car in reverse. Please make sure that you know the number of your parking space. Then you will have to go inside the Drive Test Center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road test appointments. You'll go to the kiosk, touch the screen, and you will see this screen there. It says, please choose one of the following options, which is scheduled road test check-in. Click on this, and then it will take you to the next screen. The next screen will tell you, please ensure you have the following information before you begin: driver's license, vehicle make and color, license plate number, parking space number. And if there's no parking space, then please indicate front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Then click on continue, and then it will take you to the next screen where you will have to enter your driver's license number. Your driver's license always starts with a letter, so enter the letter first, then it will take you to the numbers, and then enter the number of your driver's license. Once you enter your driver's license number, then it will take you to the next screen, and your appointment will pop up. It says road test. You are checking in for road test appointment on this date. Please select the appointment below and select next to continue. So in this case here, if you're here for G, it will show class G. And if you're here for G2, it will show G2. It will also show the time that you have booked your appointment at and the location at which Drive Test Center. You check the box and then click on next, and then it will take you to the next screen. So on this screen, the kiosk will ask you 2 questions. Check yes or no for this. Number 1, has an optometrist or physician ever advised you that you require corrective lenses to improve your visual acuity to see at a distance? So, which means if you're wearing any glasses or any contact lenses, if you are, please make sure you have them on you. If you don't have them, they can refuse your test, and it will show as an X on your license if you have it, but you haven't brought them. So the examiner will check for that. The next one is, has a physician ever advised you that you suffer from any of the following medical conditions: heart disease, stroke, diabetes requiring insulin to control, epilepsy, seizure disorder, loss of consciousness or awareness, or any other medical condition or physical disability that may affect your safe operation of a motorized vehicle? So obviously you're here for the road test, so this will be a no. If you suffer from any of these, you shouldn't be here. So you hit next, and then it will bring you to this screen. So when you come to this screen, it will actually ask you for the vehicle make. So you enter your car model, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is. Your license plate number, you enter the plate number of your car, and then the color of your car, whether it's white, black, red, whatever color it is. And then location of vehicle or parking spot number. So you enter the parking spot. So in this case, I have number 11. So you enter 11 or whichever parking space you have parked at. And if there's no parking space number, then you either put front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Once you do that, then click next, and then it will take you to this screen. It says, once you receive a ticket below, your test has been dispatched to an examiner and you must wait at your vehicle immediately. Then click on the box here where it says, I acknowledge, I'll wait at my vehicle immediately. So once you click on this box, you will receive a ticket from the kiosk. Grab the ticket, go to your car, and wait in the car for the examiner. The examiner will come to your car from the left side. You will have to, while you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, you have your seat belt on. And when the examiner comes, make sure you start the car, bring the left side window down, and this is what they're gonna do. Hello, my name is Arif, and I will be your examiner for the day. Can I have your license, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Could I please have your full name?
Yeah, I'm Adam John.
Your date of birth?
Yeah, 1995, 0521.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Can you beep the horn for me, please,
Sure.
GP? Thank you. Can I please have the right signal? Left signal? Thank you. Just watch me in the mirror and let's do the same thing in the back.
Okay.
Can I please have the left signal? Right signal? Can you turn off the signal, please?
Yes.
Step on the brake.
Okay.
Take your foot off. Thank you.
Do you require glasses?
No, sir.
Do you have any medical conditions that would affect your safe driving?
No, sir.
All right, can I see your license one more time?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. On today's test, you will not be asked to do anything against the law. Your driving capabilities will be noted and assessed. When observing or looking around, please move your head and not just your eyes.
Sure, sir.
Cellular and Bluetooth devices must be silenced or turned off. Convenience technologies can't be used. In-vehicle recording devices must not be facing the passenger area. You can get a copy of the test inside the office or online at drivetest.ca afterwards.
Sure, sir.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, sir.
When you are ready, please proceed.
All right. So depending on the examiner where you're parked, so where I am parked here, so the parking spaces do have numbers here. So the examiner will ask you to go right here. Make sure you're putting your car in drive. Signal to the right. Do a 360 degrees check. Stay calm. Do a good 360 degrees check. Check your rear view mirror, right, behind. Check left side and check all around. And when you're coming out, please make sure that you're looking for any cars that are coming out, any pedestrians here. Don't rush yourself. So go nice and slowly, just like this. Look left, right, and nice and slowly come out just like this, easily. So watch for any cars that may pull out and keep going to the right side. Stay on the right side. Now the examiner will tell you to go right here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. We're gonna turn right here. When you get to this point, look left, right, make sure no cars, and then slowly turn right here. There's an always stop sign here. Come to a complete stop here. Come to a complete stop, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. Check, check, check. When it's your turn, go nice and slowly. When you're turning right, turn closer to the curb because at the traffic light, the examiner will tell you to go right here. So continue on this. In here, please make sure you're looking left, right. Make sure no pedestrian, no cars. Start mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And it's a red light. Please make sure you're coming to a complete stop. Every time the traffic light is red, treat it like a one-way stop sign. Stop here, check the pedestrian, no pedestrian. Then you can creep up slowly and check left side for any cars. When there's no cars, then you turn right here. So as soon as you turn right here, make sure you're changing lane to the left, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left because that lane is closing. Turn off the signal once your four wheels are inside the lane. So the speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour. Just stay at a good speed limit. Very easy G2 route here. Very easy and very simple. So just maintain a good speed limit. Check your mirrors here and there and be aware of your surroundings and keep going here. So it's a little bit curvy here. Try not to exceed speed here. Stay within a good speed and keep going. So at the traffic light, you will be asked to turn right. So prepare yourself, check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right where the broken line starts from. That's when you get in. If it's a green light, you don't have to stop. Check the right side for pedestrian and go. If it's a red light, then you're stopping. Check blind spot and turn right here, just like this. So now in here, the speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour. So please make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit. Do not exceed the speed limit. So 40 means 39. So stay at 39. Do not go 41 because of school zones and all that kind of stuff, residential areas. So do not exceed the speed limit and continue. There are some speed bumps here as well. So please make sure that you're slowing down for the speed bump. Slow down. and then take your foot off the brake and go slowly, and then pick up the speed back to that 40 speed limit. So watch for any driveways, look left, right, any driveways that are coming your way. Please make sure that you're checking, looking left and right. And again, another speed bump. I will slow down here, just like this, and then go. Look left, and there's a stop sign. So in here, the examiner can pick any street to either ask you turn right or turn left or anywhere. We're gonna go left at the stop sign, so check your rear view mirror, signal blind spot to the left, and we're gonna go left here. So come to a complete stop. It's an always stop sign. Check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, then go halfway in, and then complete your turn to the left. Again, the speed limit is still 40 kilometers per hour. There's the yellow sign. The road is curvy, so please make sure that you're taking care of it. And nice and slowly go just like this. So in here, the examiner may ask you to do all the G2 stuff, like the emergency stop, uphill, downhill, 3-point turn, parallel park, all those kinds of things. In here, they will ask you. I'm gonna do an emergency stop for you guys. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna pull over to the side here and do an emergency stop. So come to a complete stop. To do an emergency stop or roadside stop, come to a complete stop, and then turn on your hazard lights, park your car, and pull your parking brake. So that's emergency stop or roadside stop. And then the examiner will tell you to proceed when it's safe. Make sure you're putting down your parking brake, put the car in drive, turn off the hazard lights, check your rear view mirror, make sure there's no car coming, then signal, check your blind spot, and then come out. Just like this, and keep going. I'm gonna do an uphill parking as well for you guys somewhere here, but keep going. Any streets coming your way, just look left, right, and keep going. I'm gonna do an uphill parking, so look right. Okay, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I'm gonna do an uphill parking just like this for you guys. Come to a complete stop, turn off the signal. So for uphill parking, you're turning the wheels all the way to the left if it's an uphill with curb. Then park your car and pull your parking brake. 90% of the time, the examiners will ask you to do an uphill parking, and at the end, they will tell you to do a 3-point turn. So we're gonna do a 3-point turn as well here. I will do some of the stuff in route number 1, and I will do, if you watch the playlist of my YouTube channel, you're gonna find route number 2 as well. And I will do either parallel park on those things for you guys in the next video. So now they will ask you to do a 3-point turn. So put down your parking brake, put the car in drive, signal to the left. Your wheels are already turned. Check your rear view mirror, make sure there are no cars. Look front, nobody there. Check blind spot, look all around, and go all the way until your side mirror, driver's side mirror, is on top of the curb. Stop here, put the car in reverse, and do a good 360 degrees check. Signal to the right, turn the wheels all the way to the right, and go until your side mirror is in the middle of the road. Then you stop. You stop here, then put the car in drive again, gear always first. Then check right, left, signal to the left, and then go, just like this. So 3-point turn for you guys. So I did the roadside stop or emergency stop, I did the uphill parking, and I did the 3-point turn for you guys in this video. And the rest I will do for you guys in video number 1, route number 2. So check right, left. If there's any street coming your way, just look left, right, and continue. Speed limit is still 40 kilometers per hour. Just maintain the good speed limit and keep going. Very easy here, honestly. G2 here. So when you see things like that truck there, anything like that, just make sure that you're checking your blind spot and nice and slowly watch for any oncoming traffic. If there's oncoming traffic, you wait here, let them go, because we're going into their lane. So just like now, that car just came, but I was already almost there. So keep going now. Stay on this lane, and we will be turning right at the stop sign. So after this driveway, check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. Make sure you're coming to a complete stop. Do not do rolling stop. And once you stop at the stop sign, check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and nice and slowly check a blind spot to the right and go, just like that. So again, the speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour here. So maintain a good speed limit. Any streets, any roads that are coming your way, look left, right, stay calm, relax. Confidence is the key to success. If you're confident, you're gonna make this G2 like a piece of cake. And I'm sure your driving instructors have done a great job and they have taught you all the secrets for your G2. So you shouldn't be worried about it, and you will pass it just like that. So again, a speed bump, I'm gonna slow down nice and slowly. I'm gonna go over the speed the bump and continue. Again, our driveway on the right, I'm just gonna look. You don't have to slow down or brake for it. Just look. It's always good to look. Keep looking. And at the traffic light, you will be asked to turn left. So check your rear view mirror, signal blind spot to the left. Where the broken line starts from, that's where you get in. Just keep going just like this. Now, it's a red traffic light. We're stopping here. So when you're stopping behind another car, stay behind far enough where you can see the tires and a little bit of the ground of the car in front of you. This is called stopping distance, very important. And guys, if you think this video is good and it's helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave me some great comments, and share the video with your friends and families. We're making a left turn. Just look left, right, and nice and smoothly turn left here. Again, North Service Road, speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour. So pick up the speed limit. And as you guys can see, there's a 30 speed limit written on a yellow board. That's mostly for severe weather or tractor trailers. It's not for us, but for you as well. So it's okay to reduce the speed a little bit, but you don't have to be at 30 kilometers per hour. You don't have to. You can be 40, you can be 45, 50, that's okay. So because the road is curvy, so take some caution here. Just don't rush yourself and continue. Again, 60 speed limit. So soon we will be returning back to the drive test center. You will be asked to go. So stay on the left. So stay on this lane and then mirror signal blind spot to the left where the broken line starts. We're gonna be entering here and we will be making a left turn here. So we're going back to the drive test center in the excited moments. So these are the last moments of your road test. Do not rush, do not panic, just stay relaxed because you're gonna be hearing some good news from the examiner. So again, so if you like the video, if it's helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave me some great comments, share the video with your friends and families, the one that have road test here at Burlington. So G2, I've also done G. So once you get your G2, after that, you'll be doing your G test. So prepare for that as well. Check the playlist of my YouTube channel. You're gonna find the G routes, G route 1, route 2, and also the G2 route 1 and route number 2. So all the updated videos will be under my playlist, and that way you can help yourself with that. So, and then now in here, we're making a left turn. So watch for oncoming traffic like this, and then turn left here. So we're turning left here. And then you'll be asked to turn left and you'll be asked to park somewhere. So mirror signal blind spot to the left and we're turning left here. Watch for oncoming traffic, no traffic, and then turn right here. And then the examiner will ask you to park anywhere in one of the parking spaces here. So keep going here and they will either ask you to do front parking. So mirror signal blind spot to the left and we will be parking. Watch for any cars that are coming. And if there are any cars coming, just watch for them. Any pedestrian like this, just watch for them. Do not rush. And we will be parking in one of the parking spaces here. So check the blind spot and park your car just like this. And once you park your car, then the examiner will give you the good news. They will tell you, congratulations, you meet the ministry standards. And make sure you get the ticket that you got at the beginning, take it inside, go to the counter. They will call you by either the number or by your name. And they will give you a temporary license on a paper, but they will put a sticker on your G1 license and you should be able to drive with both of them until you get the plastic one in the mail. If you have updated your address, please make sure that you're notifying them so that you get the license at the correct address. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Please make sure that you're subscribing to my YouTube channel and leave me some great comments and follow me for more videos. Welcome to Oria Driving Academy, where your journey to confident driving begins.
At Oria, our professional instructors, both male and female, are dedicated to making your learning experience comfortable and effective.
Our team is known for their patience and personalized teaching methods, ensuring you gain the skills and confidence you need.
Whether you're a new driver or looking to brush up on your skills, Oria Driving Academy is here for you.
Oria Driving Academy, professional, patient, and personalized.
Start your driving journey with us today.